everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney, and this is my amazing husband, Jose.
Hello, mi gente.
So in this week's episode, we're going to be sharing with you a back workout. It's 5 exercises. We'll take you through each one, show you how to do it, proper form. You'll be feeling it after the 5.
5 ejercicios para espalda.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do this.
All right.
Everybody, that's our back workout for you this week. If you try this workout and like it, please leave us a comment below.
Deja tu comentario, alright?
And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel so that you can see our videos each and every Friday.
Yes, suscríbete por favor.
And as we like to say, we want you to be strong inside and out.
Ser fuerte por dentro y por fuera.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Dios te bendiga and God bless you.